trusted mechanism.
Start.
Hi guys, and welcome to yet another episode of Project Perfumery India. It's me Mohit here, and today we have two perfumes which I'll be unboxing and reviewing. And for a change, these are my own creations. So long back, I stopped pretty much doing these videos because I thought I would let other reviewers review my products. So it's more of an unboxing review, unboxing plus review what I personally think about it, and everyone would have their own opinion. This is the first one, which is called Tatwa, or it's the abbreviated form of tobacco tonka vanilla. So it is predominantly based on these three notes, and second one we'll be doing is Prodigified. So if you look at it, why the name Prodigified? Because it was made as pretty much tribute to the band called Prodigy. So I have put the ant symbol, which is one of their, the album artwork. Not exactly, there is a ant logo, so it's somewhere inspired by that. And the Mohawk is the vocalist Keith Flint. So this was actually released on that, but the whole concept was, so this is inspiration of Bleu de Chanel Parfum. That's a new gold edition. So yes, this is something which I will be doing after this. So this one I like more. Let's have a look. It's the minimal concept of design with gold leaf, and let's open it. So this one, all the perfumes which I am doing, these are particular theme based. So this is the tobacco theme, hence you would see the color, same the color of the bottle, it's brown. Here goes the bottle. It's quite a nice looking frosty bottle, and the guys who shoot this pretty much love the shots with it, and this is the batch code information here. Same wooden cap as we have in our other creation. There goes the sprayer, and sprays pretty good. Going by the scent, it is one of the toughest note or one of the strongest note, that is tobacco. Then coming to vanilla, it's one of the most glowing note if overdone. So it has to be done really carefully. Same as with tonka. So tonka is like that bitter vibe, and not a heavy dose of tonka really can put you off in first. That also happens here, but then you really have to give it some time. Let's do the spray. To me, it starts like a bitter tonka. How bitter tonka, if I have to explain it to a noob who haven't really smelled a lot of fragrances, you just have to smell a jar of tonka beans. So it smells that pure thing, a slight sour as well, and it's not really pleasing. It will open your nose up for a while. So this moment, it's a really masculine scent, and people who have used masculine scent love tonka in their fragrances. It's a very niche ingredient. Not many designers do it. The only tonka fragrance I could remember is Thierry Mugler Pure Tonka. So if you know the Pure Tonka opening, take that tonka, make it 10x. That's how this smells like. And then there are few niche houses who have done tonka, but not very popular. There's only one popular tonka fragrance in my opinion. Now coming to Tatwa, the dry down is actually where vanilla comes into the picture. So that bitter tonka, vanilla along with tobacco, the dry down, the tobacco actually comes into the picture. So here it gets a little more complex, and it will give you quite aromatic, spicy kind of vibe, but it's usually made out only from the three ingredients. There, this would remind you of Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille, but much better, more richness because of the vanilla, more spiciness because of the tonka, and after 2 to 3 hours mark, you would actually start loving it. So it's like addiction that grows on you, and I'm down with 3 to 4 bottles as of now, and people who have bought it have done the repeat purchases as well. This is that kind of scent. But yes, if you have to give it some time, if you're picking this up, judge it only after 5 to 6 wearings. This will give you compliments, yes, but in terms of the masculine factor, not in a pleasing factor, this would make your presence felt that yeah, I am here, I own the place or own the space. That kind of vibe would come from this one. Second one is Prodigified. I already told the story behind it, and opening this one, same box, Perfumologist in blue. So why I've taken color blue? It's pretty obvious because it's somewhere, I wanted to create the best smelling Bleu de Chanel sort of thing. And if I really look into the market range right now, there is Sauvage, which people compare a lot with Bleu de Chanel, but it's actually quite different. Same, there is Dylan Blue, which is again close to Sauvage, but nowhere close to Bleu de Chanel. So it comes down to there is absolutely no scent, which is a good alternative of Bleu de Chanel. And why did I put into Perfumologist range is because of the artwork. It's close to me, so I put it in Perfumologist range and not into Project Alternative. So let's spray it. So this one, the opening is like that Bleu de Chanel sharp, citrusy grapefruit that you get is that signature Bleu de Chanel that people die for. And it's one of the best compliment getter. If you watch any of the YouTube reviewers doing most complimented fragrances, Bleu de Chanel would be part of it. And take that sharp opening of Bleu de Chanel that smells luxury, amp it up to factor of 3. This is what you would get out of it. First, if you have used EDT or EDP, this is next to parfum version, so you're definitely getting an upgrade of your existing EDT or EDP version. Second, it's more richer in terms of quality of ingredients. What we have differently done has made it slightly more peppery to give that zing up, and for the price it's a absolute banger. So let me tell you the pricing for both. These are my new releases. I really haven't spoken about them more because they were made in a limited number of bottles, and I think I'm left with a couple of more. So this one is going for, in India it's going for 3,500 rupees, and worldwide shipped it's going for 69.99. So that's close to, add 1,000 rupees shipping to 3,500, that comes to around 69.99 for a 50 ml eau de parfum. And this is going to last for a really long time because this gives 12 hours plus, and that's, just check out the reviews page, people talk about it. And this is Bleu de Chanel, and this is slightly cheaper because the ingredients on this one are more expensive, and this is going for 2,799 INR. That goes close to $50 along with shipping, so that's like 27.99 plus 1,000 INR. That comes to $50 shipped worldwide. We are doing US, UK, Australia, and trust me guys, this is the best thing if you wanted to experience Bleu de Chanel in a very niche way. This is closest you can go to it. And I'm also putting a combo deal on both. You could pick up both for about $100 or $4,999 in India. Okay guys, Mohit, check it out. Next I'll be covering my 30 ml series that we have recently launched. Many of you have already bought Alexa 1.0. So what's coming next is a surprise.